washer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing. That's hard on the bit.
Ooh.
Cutting up there. Good. 0 point for now. Big cut over there. I think that was way past 0. We're gonna call it at least 1 thou pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was right. That was gonna be the heavy cut.
Yeah.
It is the heavy cut.
Because that was the same on the other side.
Yeah. See, the 0 was. This could have been a 0 here, but that was definitely a 1 over there. That was a pretty good cut. And I think we cut about 30 off of that because it chunked off my cutter pretty good.
Yeah.
That might affect our finish.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Okay, there's one more thou. Let's see what we got. Yep, that's good. Once again, we're cutting more on the top than down here on the bottom. Our 2 low spots should be pretty equal though. Cut out with another thou. This is 3. Did we come at 3 on the other one over here, or 4? Before we got down to here.
On the other one?
4, wasn't it?
Yeah.
This side will probably be more like the other one. 3 is about halfway. This whole side of this case was a lot higher than the other side. Not even cutting over here.
Yeah, time. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's just the washer. Oh, that's that corner.
No, it's cutting. The washer will be coming too. This whole side of this case is really low, though. That's way lower than the other side. This could be way more cutting. We're cutting 2 thou this time.
Oh yeah, it's definitely cutting.
Yeah, remember this is 5 thou lower than here. We're not even got to this yet. We already cut. This is 5 thou right here. That little corner up there is so much higher than everything else. Probably throwing us off by 2 numbers at least. Yeah, probably have to cut 8 to equalize the other side of the road.
Yeah, to make up for the difference.
Yeah, that corner is high on that corner. We thought the other side was bad. This is the worst side. Chips are a lot harder when they're 2 thou thickness than 1. They burn more when they hit you.
A little spicy.
Yeah, that one cleaned up at least. 36. Hitting over here yet. It'll take 10 thou to clean this side out. Yeah. Done. So this side here is way lower than this side, you can see it. Hey Joe.
What are we working on today?
Harley Davidsons.
Mill?
Unlike Chevy cars like you want me to work on all the time.
Mm-hmm.
What year's that thing? 38?
6.
36?
Yeah.
Boat anchor?
Boat anchor. I have a phone.
What do you got? No phone? Oh, good. No interruptions, no phone. Another 2 thou pass. Our back corner's clean. Hope this front one cleans up too. Maybe it'll all come in at once. I don't have a mask either, so you're okay.
What is this, pre-servicing that?
I don't have any safety glass on either. Yeah, that one's coming in.
Yeah, now it's starting to.
You never know when it'll hit. It comes in at once or not. That's almost clean. One more thou to get some air over it. Came up pretty good. Yeah, that whole thing came in at one shot. We're at 8 down right now.
Which is what you predicted.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go 9 on this one.
How long is the setup time?
We don't count that, sir. We get the EPA over there. What is this? Health department. Nosy viewer.
Cut the quick?
No. What is it, man? You work on radios now?
Look inside the hood too.
Does this make the instrument go like this?
No, carbon fiber, not fiberglass.
Carbon fiber's supposed to be worse.
What about fenders on it?
You gotta cut it right through here?
You take out like 0.9 of an inch, 9/10 of an inch out of the middle of those two.
You mean they need to know the carburetor space in the head?
You can't buy one of them. The example I have, we don't make them with like space around.
You have an oddball combination, what you're saying. I would just use a chop saw.
Huh?
Chop saw. Grind it. Grind it. Go grind it.
That one? Put one side on the foot, mount it on there, and then make another one stack it. So I can get it straight.
I didn't quite clean it close.
That's a nice cutting head wheel, whatever you call it.
So we got one more thou on that one. Yeah, it still gives a pretty good finish. How much rougher than the other side?
Not bad.
Yeah, well, I'm guaranteed that cutter didn't like cutting that piece of steel over there. When it comes around, chunk, chunk, chunk into it.
Taking some of the nut off?
When that piece comes around right there, it goes chunk, chunk, chunk. It didn't like it, I'm sure. I think we cut like about 20 thou off in one pass.
How did the cases get so damaged on top?
Age,
Yeah.
customer abuse.
Yeah,
Did you abuse it?
No, I didn't.
Well, he didn't abuse it.
Previous owner.
Previous owner abused it.
of course.
Wasn't him.
Nope.
You say another thou?
Yeah. Yeah, 9 1/4. I think one more pass will bring that in all the way across pretty close. You can see how it's barely doing anything right here.
Yeah.
It's pretty narrow too. This is our narrowest part of the case right here. The spot that we need to have the best round, the best flat area we have the least.
Right up the compression a little bit.
What's that?
Go up the compression a little bit, doing it.
Yes.
Valve spring, spec fishing.
You go about 2/10 of a point per 5 thou. So the other side we cut 6, we're at 9 on this side. But it wasn't very flat. It took us about 3 thou on that side to bring it in.
So, yeah, the difference.
Some of your cylinder is on the bike going sideways like this, which will cause some issues on the cylinder board.
Yeah.
So it'll run better when things are straight.
Yeah.
It'll make a big difference actually.
A year ago.
73.
Okay, well, you could, huh?
It's been blasted a lot through there. I'm not sure if it's been welded. You don't see that too long. It could have been. There's an outlet right here. It's not. It's not even welded.
Keeping it down aluminum.
I don't care. The main bearing matches up now.
That's good.
It was loose. We had to fix that part.
Loose.
How's it look over there? The flatter is still uneven. It's close. Pretty thin though.
Those dots are.
Yeah.
About 50 thou right there.
Those little dots you put on in the market or what?
Those are prick pinch marks. Some
Make
prick.
gaskets fit? Make
Some
gaskets
prick was
fit?
over there jumping the case all the hell. Keep your arm working now.
Wow.
Cut or grab a hold of your ass and eat your ass up.
That's to make your gaskets stick? Or not leak?
Supposedly it's supposed to make the gasket not leak.
Yeah, but it definitely didn't work.
I'm sure the uneven surface has nothing to do with it. So
Hey,
is there
some
enough
dumbass
there?
did that.
Is there enough there? We got room to work on it. Here where I can see it. Yeah, it's kind of flat. I don't think we're going to gain much by going down another thou. It's low right here. See, that's all
Yeah.
cut away. You only got about 30 thou there, 35 thou actual sealing area. And that's assuming the cylinder's flat on the inside. Doesn't have a big chamfer in it. So that's how thin you're going to be down to, is that much. That's your sealing area. You have to drop it down.
Has that been big board or what?
You have to drop it down about 20, 30 thou to clean that up, get more area. So I think we have to live with it.
Yeah. I'd live with it.
All right.
Not much
So
more
that was a little
cylinder,
bit more compression on the other side.
Just put the same in it.
No, it's a lot thinner.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for this for now.
Brand new?